English Explorer Kids.
Hello, today we're going to practice asking for directions. Let's learn how to ask for help if you're lost or need to find something.
Can you tell me how to get to the park?
Go straight, then turn left.
Where is the nearest restroom?
It's down the hall on the right.
Is the library far from here?
No, it's close by.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just up the street on the right.
Where is the post office?
It's on Main Street, next to the bakery.
How do I get to the beach?
Take this road until you see the ocean.
Is there a grocery store nearby?
Yes, just a block away.
Can you point me to the nearest bank?
It's down that street to your left.
Where is the cinema?
It's in the shopping center.
Is there a pharmacy close by?
Yes, next to the grocery store.
Can you tell me where the gas station is?
It's at the next intersection.
Is the zoo nearby?
It's on the edge of town.
Where can I find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand by the hotel.
Can I get to the bookstore from here?
Yes, it's around the corner.
Can you help me find the school?
Yes, go down this road until you see it. What's the best way to the mall?
Take the first left and keep going straight. How far is the train station?
It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
How can I find the police station?
Go straight, and you'll see it on your right.
Is there a coffee shop around here?
Yes, it's across from the library.
What's the easiest way to the airport?
Take a bus or a taxi for convenience.
Where can I find a restaurant?
There's a nice one 2 blocks down.
How do I get to the sports center?
Follow this road and turn left at the park.
How do I reach the cathedral?
It's on the hill, to the east of here.
Where's the nearest car rental?
At the main street by the station.
Is the art gallery close?
Yes, it's next to the museum.
Can you tell me where the lake is?
Go north and you'll see it soon.
Great job practicing how to ask for directions. Remember, asking politely helps people want to help you. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.